What's up, guys? I've been watching all the YouTube videos about professional grade solvents that dissolve all of this brake dust, and I was curious if you can achieve these results with a simple solution that you can buy on your, not on your grocery store, but on your local dealer. For that, I have found this Sonax Extreme solution that you can clean your rims, and you can find this on Carrefour here in our country. Okay, and another thing that is very important, a tool. It's a soft brush, not to scratch the rims and to get into all of these grooves and clean it all off. You have to do this in a shady environment. And on the back part of the solution, it says that you have to leave it on for 4 minutes. In that time I will do some brushing, and after that just clean it with a hose or a pressure washer, and for that I have my pressure washer near me to rinse it off. This trim is pretty beaten up. It has all of these marks here our roads, and all of this brake caliper dust really shows after time. So yeah, let's start. Let's turn it on. Okay, so the nice thing about this is that it's really powerful, and when in combination with the brake dust, it turns to red, and it's just like a professional solution. So we have to spray it here. Now let's see. Hey Siri, turn on the timer and set it for 4 minutes. Okay, my timer is on, and now let's brush the entire rim. You can see it, but here. Now it's starting to remove all of the dust. Well, here, as you can see, all of this solution has the brake dust on it, and this is the final result. Yeah, I think it's okay for 5 minutes that was left behind from the weights, you know, that all aluminium wheels. Yeah, I think that I will do this on all the 4 wheels. Thanks for watching again. Thank you for being here on the channel, and do subscribe for new videos to come.